there any specific aspects of creating tech content that you're curious about or challenges you're facing?
Absolutely, John. One challenge I've been facing is figuring out how to keep my content fresh and engaging. Tech is such a fast-paced industry, and I feel like it's hard to keep up with all the new gadgets and trends. Do you have any tips on how to stay ahead of the curve and keep the audience interested?
That's a great question, Jennifer. Staying ahead in the fast-paced tech industry can be challenging. Here are a few tips. First, stay informed by following major tech news sites, forums, and social media channels. This helps you catch the latest trends and updates early. Second, diversify your content. Mix up your regular reviews and unboxings with opinion pieces, predictions, and how-to guides on emerging tech. Third, consider behind-the-scenes content. Share your process, thoughts on the latest tech developments, or even your personal take on industry trends. This adds a unique, personal touch that can engage your audience more deeply. Lastly, engage with your community. Encourage your viewers to share what they want to see next. This can provide great content ideas and make your audience feel more connected to your channel.
Those are fantastic tips, John. I'll definitely start following more tech news and forums to stay updated. I also love the idea of diversifying content and adding a personal touch. Engaging with the community for content ideas sounds like a great way to keep things fresh and relevant. Have you found any particular type of content that resonates most with your audience?
Absolutely, Jennifer. One type of content that often resonates well with audiences is tutorials and how-to guides. These are highly valued because they provide practical help and can attract viewers who are searching for specific solutions. In-depth reviews and comparisons also do well, especially if you can offer a unique perspective or cover aspects others might overlook. Additionally, tech news and trend analysis can attract viewers interested in staying current with the industry. Sharing your insights and predictions about new products or technologies can position you as a thought leader in the tech space. Lastly, personal stories and experiences with tech products can create a more relatable and engaging narrative for your audience. People love hearing authentic opinions and real-world applications of tech gadgets.
That's really insightful, John. I can see how tutorials and how-to guides would draw a lot of views since they're so useful. I'll definitely start incorporating more of those along with in-depth reviews and comparisons. The idea of sharing personal experiences with tech products is also great for adding a relatable touch. Do you have any tips for making tech tutorials more engaging and easy to follow?
Yes, Jennifer. Making tech tutorials engaging and easy to follow involves a few key strategies. First, break down the steps clearly and logically. Make sure each step is easy to follow and build on the previous one. Second, use visuals effectively. Screen recordings, clear images, and annotations can help illustrate your points and make complex processes easier to understand. Third, keep your pace steady. Don't rush through the steps. Give your viewers time to absorb the information. Fourth, engage your viewers with a conversational tone. Ask questions, encourage comments, and address common issues or mistakes people might encounter. Finally, summarize key points at the end. A quick recap can reinforce the main steps and ensure your audience walks away with a clear understanding.
Great advice, John. I'll make sure to break down the steps and use plenty of visuals to help explain things.